Hi, my name is Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, coming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Thank you so much for being here. I love all things crochet, yarn, and knitted. If you agree with me, I encourage you to subscribe. It's free, it helps my channel, and it lets YouTube know that you like my content. Hi, my name is Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads. Today is a video tutorial for the wide double crochet. Here's how it looks. It's a really nice lacy stitch. There are lots of things that you could make with this. I would love to hear what you would like to design with it. This is how a lot of the designers get their inspiration. They look at the stitches and they try and figure out what kind of project would be great to make with that stitch. So what you'll need for this tutorial, this is just going to be a quick, simple tutorial on how to do the stitch. It's not actually on doing a project. It's just how to make the stitch. You need to have some yarn, and you can use any type of yarn that you want. I'm going to try it on this Big Twist Party, and they suggest an eye, which is a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, which is what I have here. I'm going to use the eye 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. If you use a thicker yarn, look at what crochet hook they recommend for that yarn. Same thing if you use a thinner yarn, just make sure that you match the yarn and the hook, and you're good to go for this tutorial. The wide double crochet can be worked in any multiple, so you can chain as many as you would like, and it won't matter. I know some stitches require an even number, an odd number, or an odd number plus 2, or whatever. This is any multiple, so any number that you want. So I am going to chain 8, just to make it small, so we can get an idea of what we're doing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, right into that 4th one. And then we're going to double crochet in each of the rest of the chains across. If you want to work up a small swatch like this with me, just for practice, it's not bad. We can just rip it right out. You don't have to waste the yarn or anything. You can just make it, rip it out, and then, you know, go and do your project. Okay, then we get to the last one. We put a double crochet in the last one, turn. Now we're going to chain 3. And you would normally put a double crochet right here, right on top of the previous double crochet. But for the wide double crochet, we're just going to work in between the posts. So you would go between this first post and this second post, just in that little hole there. And then that's where you, excuse me, that's where you put the stitch. And you're going to do that in each of the spaces between the 2 posts across. You can see how it's already making it lacy. Go in between, right in that hole in between the posts. As we get to the last stitch here, we'll put one between the last post and the chains, and then turn. And all you do then is repeat row 2 until it's the length that you want. I'll do it 1 or 2 more times with you just so you can get the idea. We'll chain 3, and then we're going to work between the 2 posts. All the way across. And then at the last stitch, it will be in between the last post and the chains. And then you turn. We'll do one more. And hopefully you've got the gist of how to do it. Chain 3. Go in between the posts. Put in a double crochet in between the next 2 posts. and the next, in between the next two posts, and then in between the post and the chain. And then you would turn and then just continue adding rows until it's the length that you desire. This is a nice simple stitch, nice and lacy. So again, I would love to hear what you would make with this and hear about your projects. If you like these kinds of tutorials, I am starting a collection of stitch tutorials. I have a playlist called Stitch Tutorials. You can go and check those out. If you want some ideas on different kinds of stitches you can use and try to figure out a design for them, I would love if you become part of that. Thanks for watching.